Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chris. I'm Chris. Sorry it's been so long. This is our first video in like a year and a half, maybe. I wish I could tell you that all this time off has been spent learning new recipes, getting better at cooking. It's certainly not because I've been lazy. We got several new additions, one of which you might notice already is we've got a cameraman now. Jaime, I finally hired somebody. Jaime, say hello to the world, buddy.
Buenos días. No hablo inglés.
What we're going to do today, we are going to make a new sandwich that I am creating that combines a lot of simple dishes, simple ingredients together and making a sandwich out of it. That sandwich is going to be called a sloppy Chris. It involves macaroni and cheese, ham, and bread. Easy enough, right? So here's some few easy steps. Follow along. Make a delicious meal for you and your loved ones. First, you're going to need a family heirloom bowl that's been in my family for like 35 years. I don't know, I just stole it when I moved out. As always, first thing you gotta do is you have to gather your fresh ingredients. So, let's do that now. Alright, well we've already got the mac and cheese. That's sitting in our cabinet right now. You know the kind, blue box. This isn't an advertisement. We're gonna need some butter. Where's the... Weren't you supposed to go to the store?
Yo no sé para dónde vamos, pero tengo mucho miedo que este me va a hacer conmigo.
Get in the car.
¡Abre la puerta! Yo creo que me va a matar. Me dejó. Yo creo que me va a matar tirar mi cuerpo allá abajo, donde nadie me va a encontrar.
We're here. Alright, so let's go.
Paró el carro. Se está saliendo.
We're going inside the store. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Never mind.
Si salgo, yo creo que me va a matar. Yo creo que estoy mejor quedándome aquí dentro. Esperar que se vaya para yo salir de aquí corriendo las millas. Y... ok. Se fue el gringo, gracias a Dios. Ya. Ok, ya salí del carro. Y yo no sé dónde estoy, pero voy a salir de este sitio antes que me maten. Porque aquí no hay nada. Nada aquí. No quiero morir, so me voy. A ver, espero que no me coja.
Go back quicker if you would.
Estoy ayudando. ¿Qué? ¿Yo?
No, you're Jaime. You're not Joe.
Yo.
Never mind.
Yo no sé qué me está diciendo. Es que no sé si quería que yo le ayudaba a ponerle eso para atrás o qué, pero me voy a meter en el carro. No, míralo ahí.
Thanks for the help.
¿Ahora qué?
Excuse me. Gracias.
Eso sí que es.
I'm not... I don't have socks for you.
Bueno, ya hicimos la compra. Yo creo que vamos a regresar a la casa. Yo espero... Todavía creo que voy a morir,
Going
pero...
back home to shoot the video, the rest of it, so we can actually cook what I plan to cook. next time, we should do this before the video. By we, I mean you, because that's why I hired you. Hired. I can't officially pay you yet. I mean, yeah, whatever.
Ok. Y espero que por lo menos me dé comida antes de matarme. Y así, por lo menos puedo morir con el
I
estómago
don't
lleno.
understand what you're trying to tell me. Just calm down. When we get to the end of shooting at the end of the day, you know, I'll take you back home, okay?
Ya, yo he estado aquí ya en Estados Unidos por 18 años.
Okay.
Y de veras yo entiendo el inglés y lo puedo hablar de lo más bien, pero no se lo voy a decir.
Yeah.
Me estoy entreteniendo aquí haciendo esto con él.
Okay, I get it. You want to go back home. I will make sure you get home at the end of shooting. When we're done with shooting.
Home.
Shooting, like when we're done shooting.
Yo quiero que él va a matar a alguien.
Like shooting. No, not that. Not, oh my god, not that kind of shooting, but you know what I mean. Like shooting, film. Camera. What you're holding right there. Camera.
Oh, camera. Esto. This. Camera?
Yes.
Oh.
That's what that is.
Oh.
Probably would have thought your camera really is a sock. So where are you from?
From?
Yeah, home. Where's home?
Home.
Home.
Home de ver es donde te queda el corazón. Donde está tu familia y tus amigos. Esa es la casa de ver. Casa. Home.
Casa? Yeah. Yeah. Where is casa? Casa. Where's casa?
Eso sí que es.
I'm sure you have plenty of socks at your house. God. Doing socks, man. Like, I don't get it. Like, why do you feel the need to spell socks? Like, I get it. SOCKS. I get it.
¿Qué es eso?
I didn't get any queso. I'm sorry. But we're not making nachos. We already have plenty of cheese with the mac and cheese, so we're good.
No voy a dar comida para nada.
I'm not making empanadas.
¿Empanadas? ¿Sí?
No.
No.
No empanadas. I don't know how to make it. I'm not that good of a cook.
Todavía no sé qué estoy haciendo aquí.
I hate you and I hate my life.
Joe?
Who's Joe?
Yo soy
Joe Soy.
Emilio.
Who? So, okay.
¿Cómo se dice? Emilio.
Jaime, I don't know what you're trying to say.
Me sigue llamando Jaime y yo no sé qué diantre es eso. Emilio.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. So, Joe, Soy, and Emilio. Los hijos?
No. Emilio.
You named your Emilio.
Sí, Emilio.
Okay. That's not weird. People name their body parts. You know what? I mean, like the great American poet has said in the past, your body is a wonderland. So, it's not weird that you named your Emilio.
Sí, Emilio.
I see as well. As you see through Emilio. I think I finally get you.
You
Jaime.
see?
Hmm?
You see?
I see Emilio.
Okay. Sí.
Okay.
Aparentemente el nombre de él es Sí. Y... Y con eso vamos. Ok.
Yeah, okay.
Sí. ¿Qué vamos a hacer ahora?
We're here. Let's go. We're home. My home, at least. You're not staying here. Let's go.
Adiós. Ok. Estamos regresando de la casa que yo salí. Yo no sé por qué todavía no sé por qué estoy aquí. ¿Qué quiere que yo haga? Mucho silencio. Esta es la segunda vez que hemos salido a buscar compra y me sigue gritando porque yo sé que no lo entiendo, pero de veras lo entiendo.
And then you're gonna need milk. You got. This went out of date like a week ago.
Y todavía no ha comido nada, tengo mucha hambre y aquí estoy.
All right.
No sé qué estoy haciendo. Yo creo que se llama Matedu y una caja azul. Y esta es la tercera vez que ha comprado una caja de esto. Diantre, tiene un problema. Tiene que ir a un doctor o algo, un psicólogo. Porque está demasiado. 3 veces ya.
Don't worry, I got it.
Yo creo que se la tomó toda. La otra caja ya tan rápido. Míralo. Yo creo que está molesto porque no le estoy ayudando. Porque por la primera vez el gringo tiene que hacer todo solo él mismo.
And finally, to add to our dish, I like to throw in some ham. So, wait, is this? What is this? Is this the ham that you picked out?
No sé. No sé qué es.
No say. No say. Well, here's what I'm saying. All right, I told you a very specific type of ham, and this isn't what I asked for. This what is this? What is this a ham?
Este gringo me sigue gritando.
Alright, so when I was younger, these blue boxes used to have recipes where you could cook your macaroni and cheese in the microwave and you didn't have to drain out the extra water or anything like that. And for some reason, they took that recipe off of their boxes. But I made this so many times as a kid that I memorized it, so that's what we're going to do today. So, once you get your box opened, go ahead and take your cheesy goodness out and just lay that aside for later. Take your macaroni, pour it out in your bowl, and you know, the box you're pretty much done with because you're not going to follow any recipes, so you carefully dispose of it. Alright, so then you want to get water. You want 2 cups of hot water, or as hot as you can get, not boiling, but just as hot as your faucet will get. So we're going to do that now. And cup 2. Now the fun thing is, since you're only using water, and it's hot water, your little measuring cup is still clean, so you can do what I do, and just put it back in the cupboard. So,
Desgraciado.
so at that point, you want to go ahead and put your macaroni in the water. That's about how much this should look. You want to go ahead and put this in the microwave for 5 minutes, so we're going to do that now. You couldn't move this?
¿Qué?
And so then you want to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes.
Mami, ¿te recuerdas las habichuelas que puse en el microondas cuando me visité?
That's 5 minutes. 5. Wake me up when the microwave is done.
3, 2, 1. Se quedó dormido. Señor, sí. Ding, ding.
Why are you touching me?
Señor, sí. Ding, ding.
We're done with your first round in the microwave. So then you want to make sure you stir up the macaroni real good.
Eso parece bien aguado. Ugh. ¿Qué le está haciendo?
Okay, so once you're done with that, we're gonna put it back in the microwave for 5 more minutes. How is this even possible? So, we're gonna put it back in the microwave for 5 more minutes. I'm not going to sleep this time, okay? Happy? Alright, so now we want to gather all the stuff that we're going to put in the macaroni to make everything. We got our butter, got our milk, and we've got this garbage ham that Jaime picked out.
Todavía no sé quién es Jaime.
So I like a healthy bit of ham, so you at home can just adjust whatever your ham preference is.
Qué porquería.
Don't touch me.
Está vivo todavía, qué bueno. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ¡Arriba!
You can do this. Alright, so cut that. Alright, so we're all done microwaving. If you notice, come here and type. There's not a whole lot of excess water right now, so there's no need to drain. No, stop, don't, no touching, no touching. Back up. All right, so first, you want to add your butter. Now, again, very precise. It's 1, 2, and 3. Very light milk. You don't want soupy mac and cheese. So that's a little milk. Very little milk. And be careful, because milk can get anywhere.
No, spilling it part of the plan.
Alright. Then you want to add your cheese. Get all of it out.
Muy bien.
Then take your ham and you just dump all that in there. And then you just stir it. So now you want to build your sandwiches. One for me. One for Jaime. Jerk. Get your bread. I prefer the Nature's Own butter bread. This is not an advertisement.
Yet.
What?
¿Qué?
Sometimes bread is hard to get out of the package. So, take that and just throw it on your sandwich. Doesn't that look delicious? And again, it's called a sloppy crisp, so the sloppier the better, really. The sloppier it is usually just means that it's that much more delicious. Alright, so we're all done. And Jaime, why don't you do us the honors And go ahead and eat the sandwich. Here, I'll hold that here. All right, good. And just put it in your mouth. And there we go. You chew, chew, chew. That's my hand. You chew. How does that taste?
Sabe como gringo. Comida de gringo.
You heard it from him. It's pretty delicious. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Chris.